Dear students, in this module we will be going through this chapter number 7, that is sound. So in your lower classes you studied about something that sound is a form of energy which produces a sensation of hearing in our ears. Yes, sound is produced when body vibrates. So I hope all of you are clear. So when is sound produced? Sound is produced when body vibrates. Thus we can say that each source of sound is a vibrating body. So let me give you an example. Suppose you have a rubber band and you start vibrating it. One end is in your mouth and one end you are just holding it with your hand. And if you start vibrating it, you will get this notion something like this. It will move something like this and it will just keep on moving from this position to this position. Yes. In this way, you will be able to hear certain sounds being generated. This sound is because of vibration of this rubber bands or the materials within the rubber bands. So this illustration is enough to say that sound is produced when body vibrates. Now let us move ahead to the next topic. As you can see, I have written sound needs medium for its propagation. Remember, sound cannot travel in vacuum. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. This is the main reason why we cannot hear any sound when we are traveling to moon or in space, because there is no air or there is no medium for the the propagation of sound. This is the reason why we will not be able to hear any noise in the space or your moon. Sound can travel in solids, sound can travel in solids, sound can travel in liquids, sound can travel in gas as well. But they will have different speed. The speed of sound in iron is somewhere around 5000 meter per second. And in water it is nearly 1500 meter per second. And in case of gas, it is only 330 meter per second. So as you can see, sound always travels faster in solid than liquid than gas. So I can say the speed of sound in solid is more than the speed in liquid and more than in the speed in gas. So as this slide illustrates, sound needs medium for its propagation. Now let us try to understand how the sound travels actually in air. So let us discuss about propagation of sound in air. So let us take a metal strip mounted on a board. So this is a board and this is the metallic strip. So I am just bending the metallic strip in this manner. If I bend it in this manner, the air particles in this case will get disturbed something like this. Earlier it was like this. Now this blue marks will show the disturbance in the air. As you can see, this blue mark, when it comes to the next phase, it has already become like this. So as you can see, this blue mark has reached the other point. So in this way, this disturbance will travel in the form of a wave. I hope this is clear. As the strip moves to the right from say A to B, it pushes the particles of air layer in front of it. So the particles of air in this layer come closer to each other. Yes. So the same wave will again come back. So this blue marks will again come back. So in this way, waves will travel from A to B and from B to A. So this movement is called to and fro movement. One complete to and fro motion of the strip together constitute one wave. Something like, let me just get in one more. So one particular movement of wave from A to B and back from B to A, this is to and this is from, this entire thing will constitute your something called as sound wave. sound wave. and always this wave will be in longitudinal manner. This sound wave will always travel in a longitudinal manner. So this is regarding the introduction to this chapter. This video will be followed by some questions which you have to follow, which you have to answer. I hope whatever we discussed in this video, that is enough, and as at the same time it is clear to everyone. In the classes to come, we will try to discuss more and more on this video and try to take different views from each and every one of you. I end the video over here. Thank you.